The Delimitation Committee, which is tasked with the responsibility to reorganize the 29 constituencies of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC), is likely to submit its report shortly. Talking to reporters, KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchngan NSA said that from what he understands, that the Delimitation Committee will submit its report shortly. According to him, they should be able to complete its task within the stipulated time since they had sought extension for 6 months. Meanwhile, he said that the Executive Committee will have to discuss and study on the report once they receive the report from the Delimitation Committee.
Very soon kimsa submit mo siya ta Executive Committee. Oh, ay naman magkilapan nagready giya kanika reya jugi nam daga extension lapan ba lakum-lakum ndug nai nga iskam bakin pendek apa ndug nai lapan katang mo evi katang supoi ka report naga Delimitation Committee ngap syom daga Executive Committee ban page ka report jong ka Delimitation Committee dan kami ban discuss manumalahan yang tai kalau the report then in ban call the house ban place ya ka house.
Meghalaya Power Minister A.T. Mandal